new Citroen C3 here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light. And this is quite a simple procedure. That's the warning light there we need to get rid of. Now to do it, all you need to do is you make sure you start your engine. And then you've got, just going to go into the sound and everything else. Right, all you now do is press the car button. And up here it says under inflation is initialization. So if you click on the initialization, there it says make sure you have adjusted the tire pressure, all 4 of them. Once you've done that, all you then do is press yes, tire pressure registered. Now to check where the tire pressures are on this one is not on this side. I'm gonna look on the other side, make sure. Honestly, don't have to look. Here we go. Just right there. So that's the front, that's the back, that's the front, and that's the back if you've got a load. Thank you very much. Goodbye.